Hey everyone, brace yourselves because we're about to embark on a journey through the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, but we're also going to unveil a crucial issue that demands our immediate attention. In the realm of technology, we've witnessed breathtaking advancements from genetic engineering to quantum computing. These innovations have not only opened up new horizons, but have also posed unforeseen policy and security challenges. Now, as we step into the next decade, we're on the brink of experiencing even smaller devices, more extensive networks and computers that seem almost human, extending the boundaries of our imagination. Before we dive into the heart of the matter, let's clear one thing up. Those doomsday scenarios about AI replacing human thought are, well, quite overblown. While artificial intelligence, or AI, does capture our imagination with its incredible capabilities, it's essential to remember that it's far from perfect. Large language models like Bard, Copilot, and ChatGPT may sound like real people, but they're not infallible. They often make errors and produce fanciful results. Now, here's the real issue we need to address: the misalignment problem. It's not about AI taking over the world, but rather about how AI accelerates and amplifies the impact of bad human decisions. Our society faces a significant threat in the form of misaligned ideologies. When we can't agree on objective facts or historical truths, how can we collaborate for the greater good? The danger lies in the misinformation and false ideas injected into our discourse. AI doesn't filter fact from fiction. It simply processes the data it's given. The real hazard is that AI magnifies and accelerates these bad decisions. Moreover, we have another problem: the infiltration of weaponized misinformation by foreign interests into our media and social platforms. AI, in its pattern recognition capacity, ingests this toxic data and can unwittingly spread harmful narratives. We need to be meticulous and deliberate in cleansing these training sets from misinformation. Additionally, our global market and national security are intertwined with sophisticated components from China. They've become fierce competitors and potential adversaries. The misalignment in AI here is that they've surged ahead in AI capabilities. And it's a big but, the most immediate danger is not AI itself, but the quality of its training. AI learns from us humans, and if we feed it incorrect or biased information, it perpetuates those errors. We're embedding flawed ideas into AI systems, resulting in conclusions that sound real but can't be verified. AI has no imagination. It relies on the ideas it's given, whether good or bad. So instead of fretting over AI, let's focus on a better policy: ensuring we provide AI with scientifically proven, socially aligned, and integrity-tested information. It's time to pay attention to what we're teaching these machines. In the end, AI isn't the villain, it's just a tool. The real power lies with us humans to shape AI for the better. Let's prioritize accuracy and fairness as we guide AI's learning process. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest tech insights.